Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To all peace be with you, to all my document, and the to our professor. I entered teaching not because I wanted a routine, but because I wanted to contribute something bigger than myself. I've learned from my students as much as they learn from me. Their questions, their perseverance, and their unique perspectives continually reshape how I teach. Each time a learner make connection between ideas, apply a concept to real world problem, or helps appear through a challenges, I'm reminded why this work matters. By the way, I am Zenaida M. Dagalangit, Principal Administrator, Mantapuli International School, Medina, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. As an OFW educator who extend learning beyond borders, turning distance into opportunity. Yeah. I love teaching because it offers a continuous journey, a growth of of growth for both students and myself. In my classroom, curiosity is celebrated, every voice is respected, and challenges are transformed into opportunities. I design lessons that are equitable, engaging, and connected real world contexts. I provide feedback that guides progress and fosters independence. And I cultivate a learning communities where collaborations and empathy flourish. My motivations in comes from watching students move from uncertainty to confidence, knowing that today's learning equips them to shape a brighter tomorrow. By finishing my doctoral journey, I want myself more effective and efficient teacher, and I extended my collaborations to all teachers and staff. I build bridges between home and school, turning challenges into opportunities for every student I serve. My work spans ocean, but the goal is the same: help each child's deliver their own spark. Thank you and maraming salamat po. Thank you everybody. Thank you classmate. Thank you Doc.